To hide apps on OnePlus Nord 5, first of all, we'll need to open a settings on our device. We can then scroll down to the security and privacy settings. Scroll all the way down and find hide apps. Now it may ask you to create your privacy password. So if it does, then create your password, and you also need one recovery options to actually go further. So pick one of the options that will show up. Sadly, I've already done it, so I can show you that. So finally, if we have our privacy password, we can enter it and then get started with hiding apps. You will see two options. We can access our hidden apps with a home screen icon or with the dial pad. I'm gonna go with actually dial pad. So we need to also set access code in this case. So let's move right here. And now we can type our access code. It always needs to start with hash, then we can enter the code and end it with hash again. Click on done. And our code is set up. Now we can add apps that will be hidden. So we can go for something like Google Chrome, and now it's hidden, so we should be able to anyway find it somewhere around here. I hope so. Nope. Okay, so this hider actually hides our apps entirely. So to access those apps, if you pick the dial number as I did, all you have to do is enter your phone dialer, type in the code, and here's our hidden apps. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.